Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to back up Turnkeeper wallet recovery phrase. For you to do that, you have to go to settings, then you can see backup. You have to back up. Then here we don't have automatic backup, you have to back up manually. You can see attention, you can see all the prompts here, then click continue. Then you have to input your wallet passcode 1 2 3 or 4. You can see this is the recovery phrase here. I think what you need to do here is you have to screenshot this or try and jot this down somewhere for you to be able to remember in case you need it. Then check backup. As you can see here, they want you to provide the key phrase that falls under this particular number, set of number 2, number 15, 21. Once you do that, press done, then your recovery phrase is successfully back up. Thank you.